everyone! Today, we are going to show you how to check and how to maintain its parts of your automobile. Come on, let's go! Door handle serves as the opener of the automobile window. And to check and maintain this door handle, there is a small spring inside it that you need to apply some oil such as DT40 to para mapapanatiling smooth ang pag-open nito. Ang steering wheel naman, kaibigan, ay maraming function sa ilalim nito, kagaya ng bolt at mga tie rod in na connection nito. Ito ang pinaka kumakapit sa ating steering wheel, ang kanyang joint. Ugaliing linisan ito para hindi mabulok. At ito naman ang dashboard. Ang dashboard, dito natin makikita ang lahat ng depekto ng ating sasakyan. Kagaya na lang kung may sira ba ang ating sasakyan or ang ating foil and speedometer. Ugaliing natin i-maintain ito. Ang pag-maintain ito ay check ang mga wiring kung ito ba ay gumagana para safety ang ating biyahe. Accelerator is found at the right side of the brake. The accelerator serves as the controller of the gasoline from the carb of the automobile. And by maintaining the accelerator, we should put an lubricant into its cable so that it won't stack up and avoid accident. And the clutch pedal is found at the left side of the brake pedal. Clutch pedal could found on the left side of the brake, and the function of the clutch pedal is partner from the transmission gear so that you can change a gear. By maintaining it, you need to check your clutch fluid and put a lubricant into its cable so that it won't stack up and you won't get hard of pumping it. That's all. Ito ang manual transmission. Ang manual transmission, ito ang nagbibigay ng high gear at low gear. Sa pag-maintain naman ng ating manual transmission, kailangan i-check natin ang cable nito para hindi tayo mahirapan pagpasok ng Primera, Segunda at hanggang Quinta. Ugalin natin i-check nito para hindi tayo mahirapan sa daan, lalo na kapag traffic. So, puan. Ang susunod na ating ugaliing i-check ay ang gulong. Ang gulong ay napakahalaga sa bawat biyahe ng ating sasakyan dahil it is the one who carries the weight of your entire vehicles. Ang iyong gulong, ugaliin mo ring i-check ang iyong rim dito sa kanyang bolt dahil minsan ito ang nagdudulot ng disgrasya dahil maluwag ang bolt. Ugaliing mahigpit ang iyong mga bolt. Okay, this is grill handle. So grill handle serves as air ventilator. So the same as the houses that they have a air ventilator so that the air can enter to the engine and can cool it. So by maintaining it, we should make sure that there is no particles that might the reason that the wind could stop entering through the engine.
It is what we call rear view mirror. It is enabled to see the back of the view. And to maintain this, you need to wipe other parts of automobile. It was we call bumper. It received impact in case of collision into another vehicle. And to maintain this, you need to wash and wipe to avoid rust. Parts of automobile, it was called roof. It is to protect the sun, heat, and rain. And to maintain this, we need to wash every day to to avoid the rust.
License plate. It serves as a identification and registration of a vehicle. To maintain its good condition, we need to wipe and wash every day. Seat. It gives the driver and the passenger comfort when sitting inside the vehicle. To maintain its good condition, we need to wipe and change the cover when it needs.
This is a side light, indicates the direction of the vehicle as it changes its travel course, either going left or going right. The lights, it provides to notice to other drivers for them to see the rear area of vehicles, and lights on when the brake is applied.
Ang windshield ay nagsisilbing protekta sa driver at ugaliin itong malinis para iwas disgrasya. Ang wipers ay nagsisilbing pamuna sa windshield tuwing umuulan. Upang panatiliin maayos ang kondisyon nito, ugaliin i-check ang wiring sa ilalim nito.
This is hood. It is used to cover the radiator of vehicle. To maintain this in good condition, we need to wash or wipe. Headlamp. Ito ay nagsilbing liwanag sa gabi. Ugaliin natin i-check ang mga wirings nito upang manatiling maayos sa kondisyon.
Ito ang tinatawag natin na side mirror na dapat na tignan natin minsan habang nagbiyahe tayo para makita natin kung ano nasa likod para palagi tayong safety sa pagbiyahe natin. At saka dapat na linisan natin ito palagi. Habang protect ito sa sa driver. At saka dapat na ugaliin na natin linisan yung salamin.